I might be born in the early 1990s and the internet categorizes me as a millennial, but the internet is somewhat inconsistent with where the millennial age starts and ends, but I generally lie somewhere in between. So you would think that I am up to track with the social media trends, and that's because it's my job, right? Well, that doesn't mean that I like it. Many people tell me that I am born in the wrong year because I still cling on to the past when it comes to entertainment, and to those haters, I have one thing to tell you. You are absolutely right. When TikTok was first introduced to the world in September 2016, I saw it as the revival of Vine, another short-form video platform with a lot of memes and a lot of stupid shit.
It's watermelon! Inside a watermelon!
Hi.
Okay.
Which I find incredibly entertaining. I took an interest until I found out that this type of content was infesting the app.
Classy, bougie, rich.
I didn't understand what purpose this content served. It was not funny, the dances were creative, but it was the epitome of cringe.
Oh no! Gringe!
So you understand why I stayed away from the app. But eventually that blissful ignorance had to go away because our high-ups wanted us to dwell into the world of TikTok. Follow us on TikTok at MashableSEA. And when I heard that, I let out an extremely long So about a month back, I forcefully downloaded the app and lo and behold, cringe and terrible content were plastered across my screen. And that was the first time that I questioned my existence. I was told that I needed to train the algorithm by liking, sharing and commenting on videos that I liked. So for 3 days, I went ahead and did that. And that was not only the second time that I questioned my existence, but my career path as well. You have no idea how many videos I had to go through which consists of TikTok dances, stupid life hacks, and people posing in front of the camera while a robotic person narrates about something that I couldn't care less about. Eventually, as the third day came around, I suddenly started getting genuinely good content which consists of gaming, memes and even older memes that made me feel very happy inside. And that was the first time in a month that I stopped questioning my existence. So if you're anything like me, let me teach you how I managed to filter out the bullshit and find a pot of gold at the end of this cringe-inducing platform. So the first thing you need to do after creating your account is going to your profile, settings and content preference and making sure that that is in English or whatever language that you want. Next, and brace yourself, you're going to have to go to your front page, you're going to have to like, share and comment on the content that you genuinely like. But I managed to forgo the commenting part and it still worked out well for me. Thank for that. Oh, also a good tip is to press and hold on content that you do not want to see and telling TikTok that you're not interested in this type of content. However, you must keep up with the liking and telling TikTok that you're not interested in certain type of content because they will try to slot in bullshit that you do not want to see. So with these tips, I hope that you will give TikTok a try because there is genuinely good content out there. And I find myself scrolling TikTok quite a bit during my lunch and even my dinner because I like to have a quick laugh while having my food. So with that, let me know if you are planning to give TikTok a try in the comments below and I will see you in the next video.